Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw from Pixel Tap by Pixelverse. Alright, so heading over to our Pixelverse application, it's not an application but it's through Telegram where you can access this Pixelverse. So as you can see, this is my account over here. Okay, so right now if you want to withdraw, as you can see, just come and tap on this wallet section over here, and before all that, you can see this is my balance over here. It's 200,000 over here. If you want, you can come and then claim this one over here so that you can keep on adding on onto your balance. Whenever you open your account, you just keep on claiming and you keep on adding onto your balance. If you want to fight, just come and fight from here. Okay, so how to withdraw from this? All right, so come and click on this wallet section here and then choose an exchange of your choice. So for my case, I'll choose Binance. Just click on Binance there. Okay, and then just click on yes, I have Binance. All right, so you'll be prompted to put your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive the tokens onto your Binance. All right, so what you'll do, just head over to your Binance application. When you head over to your Binance application, I'll just be prompted to put in my password over here, so it may show a blank screen. Don't mind that. All right, so after inputting my password, heading over to Pixelverse over here, they told us that we need to copy our ERC20 USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive these tokens. So what you're going to do is simple. Come to your Binance and then tap on add funds. When you tap on add funds, tap on deposit crypto, then look for USDT, and then when you look for USDT, make sure the network is ERC20. So ERC20 network is over here. Click on it and then tap on copy over here. All right, say head over to your Pixelverse, then come and paste this address over here. After pasting it, just confirm, then click on mail it over there. All right, so you'll be able to receive your tokens right away into your wallet or into your Binance. As you can see, it says wallet is connected, so just tap on that, and when this one goes live, you'll be able to receive your tokens right away. So that's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.